So when we see a chronic mouth breather, typically they have had or do have very, very enlarged tonsils. Maybe they get lots of sinus infections or strep throat or sore throats or colds, all kinds of stuff, okay? Because now our nose isn't capturing all those particles. We breathe them in through our mouth, our tonsils trap them. But if we're bypassing the whole nasal system and then the tonsils are taking the brunt of that, they are working much more harder than they are intended to. And then that itself can lead to more sickness and more allergies and more sinus infections and things like that. Okay.